Hi friends, are you planning to start any new business? With us, a great opportunity available. We can provide a retail daddy billing software in your branding. For example, you are doing any business currently, for example, computer-based business or something like this in that line. If you have a retail ID software, you can access to the wide society, wide categories like supermarket, grocery, garments, kirana shop, such kind of 30 plus categories you can approach. And you can sell the software for unlimited people for unlimited time. That is the specialty of Retail Daddy. You need to make only one-time investment and lifelong you can use it. You will get a license creation panel and our team is here. They will give you all the training, how to use the software, what is the features. For example, if you are facing any kind of technical issues, our people, dedicated people are there to resolve it. So you will get complete, clear support from our side, and that is Retail Daddy. So once again, if you want to visit our office, we are basically located in Kerala. You can come us. We can provide you a flight ticket to come here. You can come here and meet my team. They will help you. They will support you like anything. And you can build your own business in your place. And there is a big business opportunity is laying. So welcome to a Retail Daddy White Labeling Program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.